Grabe, walo!
Ang hirap doon! Good morning everybody and welcome back na naman sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video, di ka mag-iingay. So sa vlog na to, meron so nawawala ako sa intro. So for today's video, papasok tayo ngayon sa work natin, pero mamayang alas 9 pupunta po tayo ng head office po namin dahil meron po kaming training. Opo, may training po ako mamayang alas 9. Kaya isasama ko kayo doon sa training namin. Pero bago muna tayo mag-training, punta muna tayo sa work. Doon muna tayo magsisimula, doon tayo mag-start sa trabaho ko. Kasi marami pa rin ako mga pending na trabaho na kailangan kong tapusin. Kasi pag hindi ko siya nagawa today, matatambakan na naman ako tomorrow. Kaya naman, kita-kits mamaya.
Then lift.
Sabi mo.
The bottom. First check the floor here outside.
Yeah.
You know, Kuya?
Yeah, I know.
You know? Thank you so
Maybe
much.
you,
third
Bilal.
floor or fourth floor. I think.
Okay, Bilal.
Okay, thank you, Bilal.
You will pick up?
Maker, ha?
You want?
Yeah, yeah.
Ipipick upin niya daw tayo. Bakit kailangan ba ng CPR? Hindi na kailangan ng CPR. Hindi na kailangan ng CPR.
Hindi mo ba pagbubuksan yung ano maganda?
Ay, baliktad. Tanim. Fifth floor yata. Ay, ano na.
Thank you.
Fifth floor.
Fifth? Inshallah.
Yeah.
Dito ba ang harap or dito sa kabila?
Baka sa kabila.
Kasi ganun yun, di ba?
Para tayo reset. Yung mama ko na.
Ang second floor.
Third floor pa.
Hindi ko pa kasi lang tansik ko dun saan.
Dito.
Ah.
Dito.
Dito ba? Thank you.
Prince. Dancing Queen?
Aywa. Aywa, dancing queen pala. Uy, mahirap siya. Mahirap.
Come here, friend.
English? Tagalog words, 1, 2. Okay. Ha? English? 2, 1, 2.
Pag ano? One word. Two words.
Napag-aakalan na to si Daniel eh.
Mixing. No mixing.
Drum?
Hello?
English ba?
Oo, English naman lahat.
The category is food.
Oh, food. Okay. Yeah. Come again.
Which food? Is it Asian?
Papaitan or?
Hindi ko siguro may girlfriend ka. Yung girlfriend na Pilipino.
Is it for breakfast or lunch?
You don't like
this only? Yes or no?
Vegetable?
Not vegetable.
But it's
Fruits?
Adobo.
Beef? Beef?
Soup? Ah, sinasabi niya.
Mixed salad.
Huwag kang sumagot, hindi tayo. Madali lang yun.
Ayan, may chicken like that.
Okay, next.
Kaling ko kayo.
Madali? Huwag kang sasalita.
Again, category is a person.
Yeah, but how many words? How many words?
Person?
Yeah.
Don't.
Manager!
No, don't talk. English. Don't talk.
Person ba?
Person daw. Body
Person?
Ay, body language.
Tagalog? English? How many words?
Small?
Two words?
2 words?
Ano ba yun? Wala nga, hindi ko siya maano
Don't talk.
Baker?
Name na, di ba?
Person.
Name of person, okay na?
Silvi.
First black. Boy.
Boy?
Boy? Boy?
Kasi gusto ko sabihin, That's why I need to stop.
Ginoko mo masisir! Masisir! Sinusubo talaga kita!
Madam, she's
Okay, category is animal. Nakikita, ma'am. Nakikita. Animal. Animal.
Monkey.
Elephant?
Huwag kang sumagot!
Not you in this group.
Sorry.
Okay, again. One more.
Next
So,
time lang naman.
Natatawa ko sa'yo.
Category is a
Ay, hindi pa naman ako
category is a movie.
Movie.
Horror movie? Action movie?
2 words?
Pinilang! Pinilang talaga!
Grabe, walo!
Ang hirap doon! Siguro mahaba yun.
Horror movie? Jungle, what is it? Jungle?
Shake natin ang doon.
Siyempre, alam dyan mo.
Jurassic. Jurassic, King Kong.
King Kong.
Jurassic Park? Yes!
Yeah.
Jurassic Park.
Next. Susana. Okay. Category person.
Person ulit.
Singer.
English.
English?
English.
Lady?
Babae?
2 words.
Lady?
Boy.
Boy.
Celine
Justin
Dion?
Bieber.
Celine Dion?
Michael Jackson!
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Ano ka babae?
Lalaki nga.
Ridiculous, bro. Bang, anong floor ito, bang?
Sakit ang ulo ko.
Okay, that is action.
Oh, action sir.
Okay, action. English?
Yes, English.
Wrestling.
Reward, ano?
How many words?
Ano?
Action.
Yeah.
How many words?
3.
3.
Word.
First word.
say first word.
يلا aperto يلا. What is this? Crazy.
Rock and roll.
When?
Hindi tayo yan.
Siya tawa ng tawa.
Tawa-tawa si Ma'am. Tawa-tawa si Madam eh.
Dali mo lang.
Giving an award?
Ayan, ayan.
Hi, Kona Edo, yan. Oh, movie daw.
Ah, okay.
English?
Baka
English?
ganyan Kuya Edo.
Sisipin mo.
English? Hollywood? Hollywood. Two word.
Second word?
Two word?
First word.
First word.
Okay. Prayer. Praying.
Praising.
Angel?
Heaven.
Angel?
Angel.
Halo? Praying.
King.
Pray. Blessed. Jesus. Blessed.
No,
Jesus.
pelikula yan, di ba? Sabi niya Hollywood.
Oo. Wala man ako alam sa mga pelikula.
Passion
Second
of the
word.
Christ.
Ring. The Lord of the
Lord of the Rings! Lord of the Rings!
Ibrahim is the last one. Category is come.
Person. You can be.
Oh, ang bilis to. Sinabi lang yung pets, no? Lord of the Rings.
Category
Lord of
is
the Rings pala.
a person. Person.
Person.
Kasi hindi namin kilala yan, mama. No, you know.
Mr.
Where are you
going?
Mr. Riyad?
What?
Ah, okay.
Sino daw? Ah, Mr. Bobby.
Ah, alam paano maglakad ha?